We're back with more Calculus 1 limits. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're looking at the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Okay, so when you see these types of problems, the first thing you want to try to do is insert the limiting value. You see that number by the x, the 3? We're going to put that in place of all the x's that you see. So typically that's what you're going to try to do first. Well, if we do that in this problem, we'd get 3 squared minus 9 over 3 minus 3. Now, unfortunately, 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. We'd get 0 over 0, which we call in calculus the indeterminate form. So that means this one is not going to work by inserting the limiting value, okay? Now, after that, typically what you want to try is algebra manipulation. Well, algebra manipulation in this problem would be factoring, because if you look at the top, I can factor that using the difference of squares, okay? So we try to insert the limiting value. That didn't work, so now we're going to try to factor this thing. Well, it's going to look like the limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 3 times x minus 3 at the top over x minus 3. Now, using your algebra eyes, I'm pretty sure you see what's going to happen with those x minus 3's. Yeah, they're going to cancel, okay? So we're going to get rid of those two, and that's typically what you're looking for in these types of limits, okay? So once they cancel out, we are only left with that one set of parentheses. So what we have left right now is the limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 3. Now, when we inserted that limiting value, that wasn't the only time we were going to try to do it. We do algebra manipulation, and then we try to see if it works this time. And if nothing crazy happens, we'll get our answer. Well, in this case, nothing crazy is going to happen. We can insert that 3, and then we'd have 3 plus 3, which would give us 6. So to answer this question, the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 is 6. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, please leave them down below, and I will see you next time.